Hello everyone, welcome to V4. I am Kamal. In this video, we are going to discuss about last two digits, but here we are going to find the last two digit for odd numbers. So first, let us explain the basics concepts for how to find last two digit for odd numbers. Then we will start solving the questions. So in this video, we are going to discuss about last two digits. Okay, but for odd numbers. So the ultimate aim here is for any odd digit we have to find for whatever the power for that odd digit that should be end with 1. For example, 1 power, any power, 1 as base with any power, always end with 1. Like, let us, I'm considering it as 1 power 1 is 1. For number with 3 as my last digit, if the power is 4, it ends with 81. I will explain why I am particularly taking for odd digits some power that should end with 1. I will explain that later. As of now, just listen here. For 7 also it is 4 because the 7 power 4 is 2401. So you can see all these numbers are end with 1. And for 9 square it is again 81. So for all the digits with certain powers, for 1 it is 1, for 3 it is 4, for 7 it is 1, again for 9 it is 2. It ends with 1. Why is that? Because let us consider 11 power 21. If I want to find last two digit for this number, what I have to do? So last two digit. The number ends with 1. It's always ends with 1. That's the first important rule why we are taking. And then if I want to find this 10th digit, what I have to do means I have to take this digit, I have to multiply with this digit and just take the last digit for this. So 1 into 1, which is 1. So here it is 1. For example, 21 power 42. What is my last two digit? So number ends with 1. So it's always going to end with 1. So what I have to do means I have to multiply these two with this 2 and just add the value at 2 into 2, which is 4. So my last two digits is 4. Now let us consider 21 power 47. What is my last two digits? So number ends with 1, always ends with 1. So I have to multiply these 2 with 7. 2 into 7, which is equal to 14. So I just need to take last two digit, it is 4. So my 10th place, the digit value is 4. So my last two digit is 42. This is how I found the last two digit for odd number. This easy to easy. We can do it fast, multiple questions in the same video. I hope you understand how to do this now. Let's start solving the question now. I have to find the last two digits for this number. So I already seen that number ends with 1. So for two digits, it's end with 1. So I have to multiply these 3 with 8. 3 8s are 24. My last digit is 4, which means my last two digit for this number 31 power 68 is 41. So I'm going to solve next question now. So we have to find the last two digit for 261 power 356. So it doesn't matter how many digits in the number, just take last two digits. 61 power 356, which means my last two digit is 1 here. Just multiply this 6 with this 6. 6 6 are 36. So just take the last digit of this number, which is 6 here. Put it here, will get the answer. So 66 power 356, my last two digit is 61. That's it. You solve this question now. Let's go to next question now. So just take last two digits for this is 41 power 963. My last two digit is going to be 1 here. 4 threes are just 12. My last digit is 2. So then my last digit for these two numbers is 21 now. This question is also solved. 41 power 21. So it doesn't matter 8641. No, you just need to take last two digits. This one, 4, 1 ones are 4. So that's why my answer is 41. My last two digit for this number is 41. Again 37 power 164. So we know for 7, if it ends with power 4, I will get 1 as my answer. So I can write this as 37 power 4. So I just split this as 41. Now it becomes. So now instead of calculating the last two digit for this number, because I don't know the value of 37 square itself. So I want to find 37 square, and then with this I have to multiply two times, okay, with same number to find my last digit. It will take more time, but without doing anything we can still simplify this. So if x squares last two digit is equal to 50 plus x, okay, same last two digit, same, this is same for 100 plus or minus x whole square. For all these three numbers, I'm going to have same last two digits. So using this, without doing any calculation here, I can simplify this. I can just split it as 37 square into 37, 37 square whole power 41. So 37 square is equal to 13 square. 13 square ends with 69. Will become 69 into 69 whole power 41. So you can see that every step I'm simplifying just by using these two. So 69 square whole power 41. 69 square I can further make it small by taking it as 19 square. 19 square power 41. So 19 square will 19 square. So I know the 19 square value. 19 square value is nothing but what? What is 19 square value? It is 361. Yes or no? So just take 61 power 41. Now the number ends with 1. I can find my last two digit for this number. So my last two ends with 1. 6 ones are 6. So 61 is my answer. I hope you understand this question. So instead of finding 37 if you find the last footage for 37 power 4 also, you still get it as 61. Instead of doing this, I'm just reducing it to do the math. Because in exam scenario, if you open your calculator in that under pressure of time, if you're clicking this number, if you miss something, again you have to do it again. So instead of doing all those things, we are doing like this. Okay. Let us move to next question. 33 power 130. I have to find last two digit for this number. So I know if it is 3 power 4, it ends with 1. So, but 130 is not a multiple of 4, right? I can split this number as 33 square into 33 power 128. Now, eventually it will become 33 whole power 4 into 32 into 32 square. I just need to find last two digits square. So 37 so 33 power 4 is equal to 33 square 33 square. I can replace this 33 square as 17 square into 17 square. What is the last two digit for 17 square? It is 89. So 89, 89, it will become 89 square. 89 square is equal to 11 square because 89 is 11 less than 100. So 11 square last two digit is 11 square is 121. Last two digit is 21. So eventually it will become 21 power 32 into 32 square. So for last two digit for this number, it is 1, 2 2s are 4. So 41 into 32 square. So we have to find 32 square. I think it is 964, but still we'll find. So 30 to 3900, 32s are 60. Okay, sorry, it's not 961. I think it is 31 square. So again, 60 to 2s are 4. Is 4, 12, 1. Oh, 32 square is 1044. Okay, so still nothing but 41 into 24. Okay, I just need to take last two digits. I have to find 41 into 24. So 40 plus 1 into 20 plus 4. So again 840 into 20, 4, 4, 160. Again 20. Again 4, 4, 8. So can see my last two digits is. So 84 is my last two. That's my answer here. I hope you understand this question also. Let us move to next question now. 79 power 128. For number that ends with 9, if I want my unit digit to be 1, my power should be multiple of 2. So I can write this number as 79 square whole power 64. Okay, so I can read the last digit of 79 square, which is equal to 21 square. So last digit for this 21 square is nothing but 441. My last digit is 41. Eventually it will become 41 power 64. So I can find this last digit 1. 4 fours are 16. I'm just taking last digit for the 16, which is 6. So the answer for this question is 61. So now this question also done. We'll go to next question now. It doesn't matter how many digits are there. I'm just taking 77 power 277. So here 76 is a multiple of 4, not a 77. I can split this as 77 into 77 power 276. So if a number that should end with 1 means for 7 it should be power of 4. Eventually it will become 77 into 77 power 4 into 6 or again 9 are 69. Okay, I have to find last two digit for this 77 power 4, which is equal to 23. Wait. For this you can write as 77 square into 77 square. This is equal to 77 square, which is equal to last two digits of 77 square is equal to 23 square. So 23 square into 22 square. So 23 square, which is equal to 529. So it will become 29 square. So 29 square, which is equal to the last digit of 29 square is equal to 21 square, which is 441. So my last digit is 41. So the last digit for this number is 41. So eventually it will become 77 into 41 power 69. So what is the last digit first? 41 power 69. This one 4 nines are 36, which means it ends with 6. Again, 36 into 77. I just need to find 36 into 77. So 70 into 30 is 2100. 3 sevens are again 21, which is equal to 210. 6 sevens are 420. 42 will become 2. 3 plus 4, 7. So 72 is my last two digits. This is the answer for this question. So let us go to the next question now. We already discussed. Number, if my last digit is A5, my power is odd, my last digit is 75. In that case, here 235, my last digit is 35, A5, my power is odd, that ends with 75. So the answer for this question is 75. With this, I'm completing this video. I hope you understand how to solve last two digits for odd numbers. Thank you.